There is something special when you see these taillights. The R34 GT-R is one of the most iconic cars on the scene. The R34 featured a RB26 engine, a 2.6-liter twin-turbo. It was announced that it produced 276 bhp, as per an agreement between all the Japanese car companies not to make too powerful cars. Despite this, the 276 bhp was a sweet lie. Some say that when the car was tested, it had 330 bhp, with many found to produce 400 bhp. It had a top speed of 155 mph, with a 0-60 mph time of 5 seconds. Nissan had equipped the electronically controlled Atessa ETS Pro traction intervention system at all four wheels, making it ABD. This made it specially designed for both road and track use. This was the first GT-R to have an LCD multifunctional screen displaying information such as G-force, boost pressure, throttle response, and more.